In these past 2 years, we have seen a lot of ups and downs to be sure. With the advent of a global pandemic and the subsequent new normal that we've had to adjust to, everything from our work to our school and even and up to including the holidays has seen a drastic change in just how we shop to even how we do business. But now things are getting better, and if you're feeling festive about the approaching holiday season, then we've rounded up a very special holiday gift guide for you. Hey there guys, and welcome back to another video from Top Tier Tech, where today we're going to share with you some of the top 10 holiday gifts recommended by none other than Tim Ferriss. But before we get into all that, make sure that you drop a like on this video, subscribe to our channel, and ding that notification bell. Also, just to clarify, this list has been curated from the holiday edition of Tim's 5 Bullet Friday email newsletter. It features 10 office favorite things that he believes are great holiday gifts as well. On top of that, there are special discounts for subscribers. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The Root Adjustable and Portable Laptop Stand. This is a portable and adjustable laptop stand that Tim found someone using in a Starbucks. The user shared that the stand had helped improve their posture and complete many more actions per minute. Now, Tim is using it himself in combination with a wireless Apple Magic Trackpad 2 and Magic Keyboard. It is the perfect size for on-the-go work or travel, which makes a great gift. The Alaska Bear Natural Silk Sleep Mask. This sleep mask was recommended by Tim by Dr. Peta Adia, who takes one everywhere. After trying several eye masks, Tim was skeptical at first, but he found the Alaska Bear to be a complete upgrade. The design allows you to tighten the head strap and soften material blocks light from entering under the bottom edge of the eye mask. Furthermore, there is a variety of patterns to choose from, which does make it a great gift. The Butcher Box. The Butcher Box is Tim's go-to trusted source for high-quality meats and proteins outside of venison. They deliver 100% grass-fed, grass-finished beef, free-range organic chicken, humanely raised pork, and wildly caught seafood directly to your doorstep at the frequency that you choose. If you love cooking with your friends and family, then the Butcher Box makes it easier to co-create delicious meals, whether a light fish dish or the best ribs you've ever had. You can even gift somebody their subscription, where they would receive 2 10-ounce New York strip steaks for free in every box they order for a year. For Sigmatic. Tim has been recommending this coffee for years. He loves their mushroom coffee with lion's mane, which he recommends and gifts to his employees and gives to his house guests. It's his solution when he needs to recharge, but wants to avoid the jitters from regular coffee. Their Reishi Elixir is also a game changer for sleep. You can get 44% off popular mushroom coffee if you want to gift it to someone this holiday season. The Logitech Brio Ultra HD 4K Webcam. Brio is a remarkable piece of technology which helps to stream crystal clear video with superb resolution, frame rate, color, and detail, including autofocus and 5x HD zoom. The Brio delivers 4K Ultra HD videos at 30 FPS, HD 1080p at either 60 or 30 FPS, and HD 720 at 30, 60, or ultra smooth 90 FPS for outstanding clarity, smoothness, and detail. Tim uses a Logitech Brio Ultra HD 4K webcam for various podcasting, Zoom, and more events. He found that Brio webcam not only improved the other side's experience, but it also makes his own experience of video chats much more enjoyable and easier on the eyes. This is a great tech recommendation from Tim's list of holiday gifts. 8 Sleep Pod Pro Cover. This holiday season, give yourself or a loved one a gift that keeps on getting better night after night with the 8 Sleep Pod Pro Cover. Good sleep was one of Tim's top priorities this year, and the Pod Pro cover by 8 Sleep has been absolutely revolutionary. It helped him practically every single night through 2021, and it pairs dynamic cooling and heating with biometric tracking so as to offer the most advanced and user-friendly solution on the market. Head on over to 8sleep.com/Tim for a $250 discount on your purchase. The Boy, the Mole, the Fox, and the Horse by Charlie Mackesy. As for book recommendations, Tim suggests The Boy, the Mole, the Fox, and the Horse by Charlie Maxey. This short and beautiful book was gifted to him by his mother. Quote, "This book is for everyone, whether you're 8 or 80. As the instructions put it, it looks like it's a child's book and you can read it in under 30 minutes, but it is replete with wisdom for adults. To give you an idea of how popular this book has become, it has 86,166 ratings on Amazon with an average of 5 stars, making it a brilliant gift for loved ones of all ages." Dry Farm Wines. Tim recommends Dry Farm wines for their practically sugar-free, less than 0.15 grams per glass, lower alcohol, less than 12.5%, additive-free, lower sulfates, organic, and produced by Small Family Farm Wines. All Dry Farm wines are laboratory tested for purity standards by a certified independent enocologist, and all of their wines are also backed by 100% happiness promise. They'll absolutely replace or even refund any wines that you don't love. Dry Farm Wines has a special offer for an extra bottle in your first box for just 1 extra penny. You can check them out at dryfarmwines.com/Tim. Laird Superfood. Tim says that he loves Laird Superfood products, especially their creamers, which turn any coffee or tea into a functional superfood latte in seconds. Laird Superfood creamers are incredibly rich and delicious, completely plant-based, and contain naturally occurring MCTs. These creamers are also shelf-stable, which means that they last longer and travel better than your old creamer. They come in a range of amazing flavors, including original, unsweetened, turmeric, pumpkin spice, and cacao. You can get 20% off of your orders of $40 or more whenever you use the code TIM20 at checkout, if you want to gift the Laird Superfood to your loved ones this holiday season. The Anker Nano 2 65 watts. For our final recommendation, Tim suggests picking up the Anker Nano 2, 1 brick to charge them all. So, instead of filling up the house and the planet with an extra charger for each new device, you can charge the majority of personal devices with a single charger. The 65-watt USB-C output helps provide enough power to charge flagship notebooks at high speeds. With the latest and fastest charging technologies, along with 3 separate power levels to choose from, the Anker Nano 2 has you covered from smartphones to laptops. This makes it another fantastic gift for the holiday season. So, what do you think about the recommended gifts from the lifestyle guru himself? Which one of these recommendations are you going to pick up for yourself or your loved ones this holiday season? Let us know what you think in the comments, and before you leave, make sure that you've subscribed to our channel. Until next time, stay safe and stay informed.